Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right now in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are all the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. If you had followed up with my updates during the day, in the morning while I was doing the video, I told us that this was going to sell, and check it out, it sold. And even within the Telegram channel, I also told us that it's going to sell more. So many people cashed out from here, so you can see it got to this support zone. This was the third TP that I highlighted earlier in the morning, and of course guys, you can see it got to the fourth, second, third. Okay, that's so amazing guys. So that's beautiful guys. So quickly let's go back into what we have for today, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame right now, and of course I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. This actually started the downtrend right from this resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal, and of course the sell signal, so till it got to the support zone, had a pullback, and of course went back down to break out below that support zone, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity until it gets to the next support zone, and if it's unable to break out from there, it will start a buy trend. That is why I'm adding the B to it. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. It actually went on downtrend and it got to this support zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So right from there it has started an uptrend, and of course this is buying at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's do it. This is crash 1000, and of course this had been on downtrend for long, and it is still selling at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. However, it is close to a support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so we should take note of that. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, let's check it out together. So guys, this is crash 500. It had been on downtrend before, but got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it tried going back on uptrend, and it has not been able to break out above this resistance zone. However, once it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, so this is still going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be volatility 75, and it will be the last asset for today. Okay, so this is volatility 75. It went on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it has got into this particular support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it's going back on buy trend at the moment, even though the movement is not that smooth, but it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so it is pulling back at the moment, and of course right from there, once it is done, it will try out the resistance zone again. So it has been moving in this particular pattern. If you should notice, it has been moving with this pattern, and of course you should also move along with it. Okay, so that is it. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of my strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.